Hello everyone, my name is Renu and I am a life healer and a member of the Loving Life team. We share with you the words of our teacher Pratibha Malhotra. It is a talk on meditation. Pratibha ji was drawn to meditation at a very young age, and since then it has become an integral part of her life. Now, after 40 years of this practice, she lives her life in touch with her deep, compassionate self, in heightened awareness every moment. In her message here, she gives a valuable clarity and understanding of what meditation is.
A state of well-being and strength of mind gets reflected in one's attitude as balanced and steady in every aspect of one's life, be it at home or be it in your work. Strength at all levels is appealing to each one. It is a hidden treasure, a capacity that lies within each one, and it can be experienced. The way to tap into it comes from being grounded in the embrace of life within, the unchanging, limitless essence of the source of all within you, life. This imperceptible truth of existence lies unexplored in each one. It is touched fleetingly during many moments of your day, yet it passes by unacknowledged. Meditation is the simplest way to experience this all-encompassing bond with life in your being. Because only when you taste it will you understand its magical potency, and it is then that you will kindle an urge to commit to give it as a gift to yourself. It will make you realize how you have been thirsting for the fulfillment it brings. It cannot be known through dialogues, through words, or through reading. It has to be experienced. And once you do it, it will reawaken in you a knowing, a recognition of how it comes naturally to you, something you had known at a subtle level always. Meditation, it is the name given to the process of allowing your senses to withdraw from the visible world outside and turn inwards to experience the world within you. A world which is of no stimulation, no activity. It is the space of your being. We can call it your heart space. It is where you and life are together always. It has been a long time since many recognized or understood this partnership, the precious connection, or nurtured, nourished, and cherished it. It is the one and only priceless relationship that you have forgotten and overlooked to cultivate. This oblivion has led one to feel a void, an emptiness. One runs looking around for ways to fill up this feeling within in various forms of distractions, adventures, and entertainment. Yet all seems to last for a short time, and the same feeling of hollowness returns in different shades and experiences for each one. That all solutions and answers lie within you through this unification has not been understood, as it has a non-verbal, a soundless language. This lack of awareness has led many to all kinds of routes and much information, do's, don'ts, and some extreme doings that feel so severe for the mind and for the body. There's such a big hullabaloo and overhyped elaboration about what so many self-styled teachers and others have got from their own experience or from their interpretations of what was shared by their gurus. Much of it may or may not be necessarily the complete reality. Yet at that moment of discomfort, it seems to be exactly what you're feeling deprived of, and you eagerly believe it to be correct. You trust others without really checking with your own very trustworthy resource from within your own being, your innate wisdom, will lie all the true and sincere guidance that is for your own highest good. So, what is meditation? Meditation is the one and only way to feel whole, feel secure, and confident about all that you are and do. It is the way to feel loved, the way to feel balanced at all levels of being. How does that happen? There are no answers for what you feel within you, outside of you. Reflect upon this. If you are not feeling good or you're feeling low from inside you, then can anything other than you fix it? What is inside you? What is your inside world made of? Yes, you have an inside world and an outside world. Your inside world is that which is your mind field. It is made up of your thoughts, how you think, how you reflect or make choices between this or that. It is the reason why each one is so different than the other. Everything happens because of your thinking faculty and the quality and source of your thoughts. You even move your hands because you had a thought and you wanted to move it. You walk or run because you wanted and your thought directed the brain to send the impulse to your nerves, muscles, and organs to do the needful. But it seems so automatic, does it not? However, it is all driven by your thought. Such everyday thoughts that direct the movement of your body arise in your thinking mind. You use this part of your mind to live your role as the body identity. There is another part of your mind. I call that part your heart or your core. This is the beauty that is touched and sensed as your inner world during meditation. You are thinking non-stop from the time you wake up to the time you close your eyes. Your senses, your thinking mind coordinate with your brain, and it follows your inputs, whether you are aware of these or not. Like all machinery gets tired and needs to rest, this one needs to recharge and refuel too. You feel sleep is required. Sleeping does rest the body, the organs and all that is the body. It doesn't recharge your mind. There are times you wake up groggy despite all the hours of sleep. Sleep doesn't change the activity of your mind and brain. It only shuts your knowing of it. Your senses and only your physical self rests when you sleep. Your mind, your body, and you relax when you surrender to the restorative consciousness of the process called meditation. It immerses you in the pool of goodness that lies within your being, and it replenishes every pore of you with its infinite richness. Many of you follow the practice of Yoga Nidra, and few of you do various other breathing exercises and the like. All are very effective and work in different ways to strengthen, relax, and detox your body, improve circulation, and these work to slow down your thought flow temporarily. But till you don't move into the space of your heart, your core, into its soundlessness, it is still not the same as meditation. When you are tuned in to the subtle sounds of feelings and sensations from life in your heart, in your waking and active moments, you are actually living your truth. It is a meditative state of being. In specific designated times that you allocate for this practice, which can be at any quiet time in your day, you dip into the heart or the deeper consciousness to be one with your own reality and truth as life. One can use the support of guided meditations, focus on breath, or chant any mantras or prayers to gently lead the thinking mind into the pulsating, quieter depths, to merge in the space of your heart. It is at this point that one starts to feel very relaxed, very quiet, and slowly loses all awareness of the body. It feels as if the breath and the body become one as air. In the initial attempts, when one sits down for meditation, one may find a lot of thoughts coming up. They are actually getting freed, and it is fine not to focus on them. Persistence and regularity in your commitment to this valuable journey help you slip into deeper levels of quiet. This keeps your mind, your body, and you in a state of calm in all that your day brings your way. It enhances the flow of life, energizing every bit of your body and your mind. For this practice, it is supportive to sit in a comfortable upright and a soft, fluid posture that can aid free movement of your breath. It is not required to go into any rigorous sitting postures, nor do you need to give up any foods, change your eating habits, clothes, or modify your life in any way that you do not feel inclined to. In fact, treat this as a buddyship program where you are dedicating time to building a bond with life in yourself, the loving presence that is the source of love and breath that keeps your body alive. It is to make friends with the magnanimous part of you, one that cares for you unconditionally and is always there for you. It is extremely special and valuable. Nourish, renew, heal. Be one with your compassionate self. Be one with life in yourself. Live as the real you.